Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to build this pretty pattern here which is called cube in a cube in a cube. To get to this, to the cube in a cube in a cube, what you need is a solve the Rubik cube. So if you don't know how to do that, check out my tutorial how to solve a Rubik's cube. You can find the link somewhere over here. Alright then, let's see how we do this then. So pretty much holding the cube like this, we start doing the algorithm. It's quite a long one, and at the end of it we're going to end up with the cube in a cube in a cube. So let's do it. Up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, front inverted, right, back inverted, right, front, up, back, up, back inverted, left, up inverted, front, up, right, front inverted. There you go. Cube in a cube in a cube. Thank you very much for watching, and please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you later.